High levels of insulation and the need to save energy are an ever-increasing requirement of the modern home. Thankfully, Snug and Sound have a solution. We're on site with Guy Mandel, Technical Manager for Knauf Insulation, talking about blow-in insulation. Guy, tell me about Jetstream Max and how it provides the answers.
Well, Snug and Sound and blow-in insulation has a premium solution. Let's have a closer look at the process. Jetstream Max is a glass wool insulation manufactured from a high level of recycled glass bottles. The product has an extensive history of use in the USA and in Europe. For walls, a veil is attached to the framing and then the insulation is blown into the cavity at a high density. It easily fills around pipes, wires and other obstacles. This system provides a uniform coverage which is not found in other types of insulation.
So that covers walls. Can Jetstream Max be used for the ceiling?
Yes, Jetstream Max can be installed in a skillion roof in a similar way to the walls. The cavities are normally deeper, so don't need to be installed at such a high density to achieve a high level of thermal performance. In open ceilings, we take advantage of the additional space to achieve a higher thermal value. Due to the product's low density, the system can be installed at an increased thickness to achieve an extremely high thermal value. This is difficult for other systems to achieve.
For more information, visit snugandsound.co.nz or for any technical inquiries, call or email Knauf Insulation.